Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the initial and phonetic sound of alphabet A to Z. So let's start it. A. A for ant. Ant. B. 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 B for beer. B for beer. Beer. C for crab. C for crab. Crab. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for horse. Horse. I for ice cream. I for insect. Insect. Ice cream. J for jam. Jam. K for key. Key. L for lemon. Lemon. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for owl. Owl. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for queen. Queen. R for rat. Rat. S for shark. Shark. T for turtle. Turtle. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for x-ray. X for x-ray. X-ray. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.